You're watching Goode Entertainment.
Hi guys, I'm Christina Goode of Goode Entertainment. We're back with part 2 with Born to Kill, an Easter EAS scenario by the channel SPCHermitage 1258. So we left off with the part that we learned that 6 children are kidnapped by the rabbit here. So let's get back to this. We left off at around 9 minutes and 50 seconds out of 18 minutes and 10. I did start to get a bit hesitant about doing this part 2 because of how dull my reaction was to part 1. So let's continue, shall we?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lexington Police Department. Several bombs were reported in people's Easter baskets across the city of Lexington. It is believed that the killer Easter Bunny, who was responsible for chaos in Louisville, is breaking into people's homes, killing them, and planting them in the Easter baskets. The bombs are set to detonate at any time. At this time, all residents of the city of Lexington are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately. Go into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you see something suspicious in your Easter basket, call the police immediately. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
Damn. Oh my god. I have windows open because it tends to get a bit warm in here, and I just don't want to leave the AC running while I'm doing a video.
Civil danger for the city of Lexington. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lexington Police Department. The bombs that were reported in people's Easter baskets have all detonated, causing those buildings to have massive damage. In addition, several fires have been reported due to the explosions, and firefighters are being called in to attempt to extinguish the fires. The killer Easter Bunny has escaped the city, and it is unknown where it will be headed next. If your home or business was not destroyed, seek shelter immediately. If your shelter was destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard will take you to a shelter until your home gets reconstructed.
No, it isn't, my friend. Oh my god!
Civil danger for the city of Louisville. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. A nuclear bomb has been detected in downtown Louisville. It is believed that the killer Easter Bunny planted this bomb. This bomb is expected to detonate in the next 30 minutes. In addition, the 6 children that the creature abducted were all brutally killed by sinking its fangs and claws into their skin.
we pretty much figured that was going to happen to the kids. Am I right?
Suffocating them and stabbing them with its massive knife. The bomb squad has been called in to try to defuse the bomb. As a precaution, all residents within a 100-mile radius of Louisville are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
It is terrible. Oh God, it's gonna detonate in it. Oh, okay.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear bomb has been detonated in the city of Louisville, Kentucky. The city has been completely destroyed, and fallout is spreading across the area.
Sounds like what you would have to do if you were playing the game Fallout 4.
In addition, the killer Easter Bunny was exposed to the radiation and was killed. As a precaution, all residents within a 200-mile radius of Louisville are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It may only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Take the following actions in order to protect your life. Get inside the closest fallout shelter near you. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Make sure your shelter has as few doors and windows as possible. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels, as this prevents radiation particles from entering your shelter. Do not use elevators to evacuate if you are in a hotel or other multi-story building. You will be trapped inside when the power goes out. Use the stairwells to find shelter instead. Place as many objects between you and the outside world as possible.
And if the building doesn't have any stairs, only elevators?
Make sure your shelter has 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Do not leave your shelter until it is declared safe to do so. If you leave your shelter, you will be exposing yourself to radioactive fallout. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. An administrative message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The fallout has cleared out of the area, and residents can leave their shelters. Repeating, the fallout has cleared, and all residents can now leave their shelters. If your shelter is destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard will take you to the nearest military base. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. All broadcasts will now be handed over to state and local officials.
No, I thought at first when I took a look at the thumbnail, I'm not going to show that. I was really nervous about doing a reaction to this one, because I thought it was gonna have like graphic images and whatnot, and a lot of that was it was pretty dark as well. I wasn't too freaked out on that one because it didn't have any graphic emotions, graphic images, emotions. What the hell? Us here at Goode Entertainment is still going to be like give you a children warning, pretty much, that this video is going to be disturbing to most young children. I cannot believe that the killer bunny was so stupid enough to let him get close enough to the nuclear bomb and get killed after that. That was probably the funniest bit in this skit right here. And I believe that's it. To support the channel, you can donate through Streamlabs below. PayPal is the only form of payment that we can accept right now. You can follow me on my personal Facebook page at Christina.goody.5891. You can also follow us on our main Facebook page at Goode Entertainment 12. Links to our sister channels are in the description down below. I'll see you guys next time. Stay cool and be awesome.